So before I start my intro, I am going to change the intro to normally it goes, hey yo, good morning mommy, that's what's poppin'. But I'm changing it to good morning or good evening Torres fam. Okay? Is that good? Is that good for y'all? Torres fam? Y'all probably can't say it. But you can't say what we're doing? Torres fam? Perfect! Okay, so good evening Torres fam. It's your girl Mia here. And today I have some more slime. Oh yeah. And it's crunchy. It melts too. Y'all guys know I obsess with slime. Or if you don't know that, I am sorry. Actually, you know what I'm going to start doing now? If you're new to my channel, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the fam. Yeah, I think I should do that now. One thing I don't know, one thing that I think is really dumb is that I do not edit. I mean, it's not dumb, but it's cool to not edit your videos, because if you, make a mistake, then it could be funny. But never know. Use your imagination. What am I doing? Okay, guys, so I just opened. Oh, actually, let me get my badge on. I am the one you said on. It is a police badge that my mom got for me. You can probably hear them in the background. Well, hear her in the background, but don't really worry. Because now, maybe later on, something I don't know. But I'm going to act like a police officer, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I got it. Oh, it's like shining all over the place right now. Okay, I'm going to keep this in my safe spot. Good, let's put it back in our secret bag. There we go. Okay, now to what we're going to do today. Guys, I have these Hatchimal collectibles. And I am going to, you know what? Do some baby stuff for y'all, okay? Even though I'm 8 years old, I'm about to turn 9. And see, what is today? I don't care what today is. I don't know, but I'm about to turn 9 on Valentine's Day. These little Hatchimal collectibles, oof, mega oof, ginormous oof. Scoot up, chair. Dumb chair won't scoot up. Beep. Okay, so, no CC. So the first one I have. Sorry, I am getting obsessed with my slimes right now because they're all over my room. My room is full of crunchy, nice slime, but very sticky. It's icky and maybe ugly dragon fruit. But oh, okay, so for real, I'm going to show y'all some Hatchimal collectibles. And these Hatchimal collectibles are really special, okay? Special Hatchimal collectibles from all over the place. Hey. So the first one show you is going to bad to alright to the best. So the first one is going to be this one. I don't know their names. Don't know who they are. It came in this red little tiny bed. And I'm going to name this guy. What should I name you? Mr. Hedgehog? He's not a hedgehog. If you know names for this guy, leave it in the comments below. I'm thinking of Christmas Kid. I don't know. But this guy comes with a little nest that I organization for him. It comes with a nest. So let's keep him in here. I'm trying to go really quick, guys, because my phone is about to die. So we got that one. Next is going to be these glitter ones. These two are friends, okay? These two glitter ones. They come in this green bed. They sleep together. This one are the two sisters. They're very glittery, see-through, and they came in this white bed. Let's put them back in. And now, the final. Let me show you the bed. The bed is a nice yellow, and it's a fuzzy Hatchimal! A fuzzy Hatchimal, and it's really cute. And guys, this is going to end it here. I know this was a pretty short video. Actually, no. Let's play with some slime real quick. I have this poopy chocolate scented slime, and it's not stretchy. I've showed it in a couple videos. Right? Showed it in a couple videos. If you don't know, then screw you. No, I'm kidding. Alright, guys. Short vid, but little brown girl is out.